Alright, so we're checking out the Houston Arboretum. It's a nature center with trails, and it's right by Memorial Park in downtown Houston. We're going to check it out. Which way to go? Well, they maintain these trails really nice with all this mulch. It's trying to rain on us. I think we might get wet. It's like a little forest right in the middle of downtown Houston. I guess they say it gives people a place to get away, unwind from being in the city all the time, I guess. Alright, we'll check it out. A nice pond, a lot of lily pads. The sign over there says, "Don't feed the turtles." The pond's over there behind me. Them turtles are really sad because they try to say don't feed them. I bet people do it anyway. One thing I can't believe is I grew up in Houston, Texas, right here, and back in the 80s, and for 20 years I lived right down the road from here, and I never came here once. We used to go to Memorial Park, but never checked this place out. It's pretty cool. One thing about it though, I don't know if you can hear it. Can you hear the highway? So you're out here supposed to be out in nature, but you can hear the highway. So that's not working as good as some places, but still, it's a pretty nice place. Look, here's a little snake. It doesn't look like a water moccasin because its head is a different shape. But it's dark like a water moccasin. But its head isn't the shape of a water moccasin. What are you? That's probably where that snake lives. I guess that was probably a water snake. A southern water snake. But back at the visitor center, there's a nice little walk. Alright, so if you come to Houston, or if you live here in Houston, and you want a little nice nature hike, this place ain't too bad. It's right here, it's close. Go check it out. Don't forget to subscribe, click like, and share it. Alright, later, make sure to go outside.